Greetings, it is Darajman, and in this video I'm going to show you how to dramatically extend the life of your razors so that you can save money. So the first thing is you need to understand what causes these things to go dull. It's actually the oxidation of these metal blades when they react with the moisture in the air. If there's any moisture coating these blades at the end of your shave, if they're wet, then that's going to speed up the oxidation. To slow it down, all you need to do is to store this blade dry at the end of your shave. And to do that, the easiest way is to just get a blow dryer and dry off all the moisture. Now, let's say you don't have a blow dryer. I don't have a blow dryer. As you can tell, I don't really need one. Step one, give it a good flick. Step two, blow off, just with your mouth, blow off as much of the moisture as you can. Be very, very careful when you do this. If this thing touches your face when you're moving it side to side and you're blowing, you're gonna have a very bloody face. Grab a towel like this, have the blades facing away from the towel, and then tap firmly and do that several times. I do about 10 to 20 times. And finally, you want to face the blades towards the towel and do not tap the blades onto the towel, facing it. Okay, if you do that, you're going to cut through some of these fibers. They'll get stuck into the blades or in between the blades here. You're going to have a dull shave the next time you go to use this. All right, so instead of tapping, when the blades are facing the towel, you just gently press. And you can do that several times, flip it over, tap it a few times, face it to the towel, press a few times, all right? And just alternate between those two until you get most of the moisture off. Finally, when you store this, if you're taking a lot of hot showers, then there's gonna be steam in the air, and that can coat this and speed up the oxidation, right? So instead of storing this in your bathroom, if you can, store it somewhere else. Store it in a dry place. I get a maximum of 2 months use out of it. If I didn't dry it off in between my shaves, I'd only get a maximum of 2 weeks out of it. So extending the life by 4 times, I'm pretty happy with that. And it saves me a lot of money. I hope it saves you a lot of money. Hey, if you want to see more life hacks like this, make sure you hit that like button. If you think this will help somebody save money and turn them into millionaires, then make sure you share it with them. And finally, subscribe so you'll be the first to know when new videos come out. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.